चिमलाच्या जंक्शनाचेर जाल्ल्या अपघातात एकल्याक आपलो जीव वगडावचो पडलो जाल्यार बाकीच्यांची स्थिती हुस्को करपासारकी आसा। अपघाताक जापसालदार थारिल्ल्या टँकराच्या ड्रायव्हराक अटक करून ताचेर गुन्यांव नोंदयला। अपघाताचे फाटभुंयेर उत्तर गोंय उपजिल्लोधिकाऱ्यान बसका घेतली। महामार्ग आनी हेर रस्त्यांचेर जावपी अपघातांचो आंकडो देंवोवपा खातीर भौशीक बांदकाम खात्या सयत हेर संबंधीत खात्यांमदल्यो त्रुटी सोदून काडून त्यो जाग्यार घालपाचे उतरूय ताणें दिला।
बिरेस्तारा जाल्ल्या अपघाता उपरांत पुलीस आनी संबंधीत अधिकाऱ्यांनी बसका घेतली। अपघातांचेर नियंत्रण येवचें हे खातीर बेगोबेग आनी दीर्घकालीन उपाय येवजण करतले। तशेंच अपघात जाल्ले सुवातेची शुक्रारा पळोवणी करतले अशें उपजिल्लोधिकारी HP विवेकान सांगलें। दीर्घकालीन उपाय येवजणा खातीर संबंधीत खात्याक कितलीशींच पत्रां बरयलीं, पूण तांत्रीक कारणां फुडें करून भौशीक बांदकाम आनी हेर खात्यान ताचे कडेन आडनदर केल्या।
We will have a say from the concerned stakeholders. We will examine it at higher level. So then we will propose it at the higher level what they have to take, what action needs to be taken. Because at least there has to be some findings. No?
Correct.
If at all if there is an inaction on anybody's part, we will have to find that out. But as far as these pendencies are concerned, we will definitely request the higher authorities to review this at the earliest. That would be going from our side.
Because basis is the letters that have been sent by the people on the ground.
We will review that. We will certainly review that. We will call all the, at the collector's level, perhaps we will call a meeting of all the concerned stakeholders and we will review this as to why, if at all, if there is inaction on anybody's part, why so and what could be the way forward. We will definitely do that.
What action are you going to ensure that the PWD expedites its work and sees that these black spots they're taken care of?
No, see,
leaving the legal, see, this is a question of life and death. Correct. So legal acquisition and all that doesn't apply. That is, we are aware of all these issues, but I'm talking taking these into consideration. What exactly is the government going to do?
No, see, today our primary concern is with respect to the accident that took place, and follow-up meeting has been taken in that regard. And the representative from PWD who was present also was mentioning that the hurdle that he is facing there is because of certain pending land acquisition matters, which we did not deal with in detail today, because that is not need of the hour for me. First focus would be on to prevent that no further accident, no further loss takes place. That would be my first primary focus than putting the blame or trying to punish someone for not doing some action. That would follow up separately. But right now, main focus is on to ensure that no further accident takes place in that particular zone, for which we will take all possible steps. That's why we have to involve all line agencies who are involved in this activity are going for the inspection tomorrow, and then we will, once we get the report, we will see what suitable things can be done. It could be in the form of a signage, a warning signal, and also what I am thinking is put a speed guns over there in order to check the speeds of the vehicles that are flying over there.
पोरण्या गोंयच्यान हो टँकर येतालो, ब्रेक फेल जाल्ल्यान गाडयेवेलो ताबो सुटलो आनी ताका लागून हो अपघात घडिल्ल्याचें ड्रायव्हरान सांगलें। ह्या अपघातात 8 जाणांक मार लागलो। अपघातात सापडिल्ल्यो गाडयो चेपून गेल्ल्यो, देखून गाडयांचे वेगवेगळे भाग कापून लोकांक भायर काडचे पडले अशें घडणूक थळार हजर आशिल्ल्यांनी सांगलें। पुलीस ह्या अपघाता फाटली कारणां सोदता।
तुमकां इतल्या पळय आमी केन्नाच्यान आतां MLAचो टॉपीक काडलो तुमी, हे आमी रिक्वेस्ट हेच्या पयलीं ग्रामसभेक पंचायतीचे थ्रू MLAक दिल्लें, कोणूच हांगा तोंड मारूंक येयल्लो ना। वयरची देवती आहा पळय थंयच्यान हे हॅवी व्हेकल्स जे येता पळय तेंचे कितें ब्रेक आनी कितें तेंचे एअर वयता कितें आमकां कांय खबर ना, ते एकाच स्पिडीन वयल्यान सकयल येता। तेचा सुद्दां एक्सिडेंट जालो, हांगा ठोकून तेणें थंयसर ठोकून ते गाडी उडयले। रातचो एकांक जाल्लो, आयज जो जाला पळय तो डायरेक्ट तो टँकर तो म्हणटा आपलो ब्रेक फेल जालो कसो जालो आमकां कांय खबर ना, तो ठोकी दिलो सगळ्यांक ठोकी दिलो। आतां हे जो 2 मेजर 3 हितूंतले 3 आतां 6 जाण जे इंजर्ड जाला तितले 3 जाण सिरियस आहा, हे अशें आमी आयकलां सद्या तरी। मोटरसायकलकाराक तेणें पयलीं थंयसर उडयलो, त्याच्यानंतर ती होंडा सिटी काय कितें तरी आसली पळय रिक्षा, तेच्या पयलीं रिक्षा आसली टाटा इज कितें, तेका ठोकून होंडा सिटी आख्खी काबार केल्या। तेका आमच्या लोकांनी हांकां भायर काडल्या बसलेले तांकां, आनी थंयसर एक मोटरसायकलवाल्याक तेका उडयला तो सिरियस आहा, आनी हांगा एक मोटरसायकल आहा पूण तेजेर कोण आसलो काय आसलो आमकां कांय खबर ना।
पणजेच्यान आमचो मुखेल खबराकार ग्लेन कोस्ता आनी व्हिडिओ पत्रकार इर्शाद शेख आनी यशवंत परब